Caesarius, also called Illuminor Caesarius, is an enigmatic Necron cryptic technomancer. He is one of the most reviled beings in the galaxy, both hated and envied by the other Necron tier. It was Caesarius' twisted genius that ultimately made the process of biotransference a reality, and condemned the whole Necron tier civilization to eternal, cybernetic undeath as the Necrons. Uncaring, this megalomaniac Caesarius only saw the sacrifice of his people as the first step of his own ascension to Satan, like godhood. In the 41st millennium, Caesarius still labours towards that goal, seeking to unravel the last mysteries of life that escape him. Despite being distrusted and revealed by the majority of his peers and Necron royalty, Caesarius' knowledge is so vast that the help he can grant so potent that few Nemesors refuse his assistance nor its price when offered. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.